In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Airtable account so you can actually interact with your Airtable database through n8n workflows. Before we get started, I just want to point out that n8n did update their dark mode. If you see, it's a lot darker than usual. If I go back to a previous video, it was like a lighter gray, but now it's darker. So it's not something I did, it's something n8n did. So just if you're wondering, I didn't change colors or anything, it's just what it is now, I guess. But anyway, we get started, we do need to add an Airtable node. Go to Actions, we'll say Get Many Bases, why not? We do need to add the credentials, so click on Credential, Create New Credential. Now, if you come into here, it's going to show you it's going to look for an access token. We need to generate that on Airtable. We're going to go over to Airtable, and if you have an account already, go ahead and sign in. Otherwise, you can click Sign Up for free. Once you're through the AI onboarding part, you can click this X at the top right to get out of this. Unless you want to use this, then feel free. And then create a blank app, create. So now we're at essentially a blank database, ready to go. Now at the bottom left, you should have your little avatar picture. Click on that. And if you want to switch over to dark mode, click on that, choose dark. There we go, much better. We want to click on your little avatar at the bottom left, and then go up to Accounts. And then under API, it's going to say that API keys will be depreciated January 24. That's fine. Go to Developer Hub. And then in the far right, click on Create Token. And then again, Create Token. And here you want to name it something just so you can reference which token is using your credits, essentially. So we're going to say YouTube tutorial. As far as the scopes, we need to tell Airtable what we want to allow this token to be able to access. If we go back to n8n, it tells us right here which ones we need to make sure we include. So we need data records read, data records write, and schema base read. We go back to Airtable. For the scopes, we want data record read, data record write, and then schema base read. So those are different scopes that's going to be able to read, write to the data, and then view the schema. And for the access, we want to click on, you're going to click on Add All Source. That way it will be able to all the current and future bases. And then click on Add a Base. You can actually choose a specific one. I'm just going to choose all current and future. And then click on Create Token. It's going to give you this token here. Just click on this button to copy it. Go back to your n8n. Paste it in here. You can rename it up here if you want. Otherwise, just hit save. And now it's ready to go. And just to verify it works, we're going to go ahead and execute the step. We should get the name of the base, which I didn't change the name, so it's just untitled base. Just to verify, close out of that. Hit the back left to go out of the Builder Hub. If we go down to here under Untitled Base, we can click on this and we change that to say YouTube videos. So now my base is called YouTube videos. If I execute the step again, we now see YouTube videos. So we know it's connected, and now you can do anything you want to do with Airtable in your n8n workflow. If you have any questions or topics for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.